Welcome everyone to the worst thing I'm probably ever gonna do in my life. This is ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask him to give me one number. So he says 42. Now let's open up my folder with smg4 sounds. So it's right here. So let's go here. Let's see this. How many do I even have? I gotta find 42. There's 42 in here. Oh, there's 100. So you completely have to do this. 1 and 2. See? And, oh, Jesus Christ. And I lost my, let's do under, like, under 50. Is this? So, give me a number under, how about 27? Right there. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. 27. Come on, I can do it. Oh, I lost my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's this. That's definitely an smg4. But that's for the first floor. Now go to the second floor and give me a number. $13. Dev bell. Okay, that's the most kid-friendly thing I've ever heard. Alright. Sorry. If it's not one, I'm actually gonna cry. No! Shit. Fuck. Give me one. Say a number. Say. Give me a number under 2. Game over, yeah. Let's go. It's beautiful. Alright, that does not count, but let's do this again. Sorry, I just had to. 7. I'm pretty sure I can do 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get down on it. You literally got get crowbar, bitch. Here. Like, who does not want that? $42. No, we can't have that. Give me a... This should work. Well, we can do it better like this. I will choose the one where my mouse comes on. So sorry ChatGPT, but you are trash good. So let's do this. Long live the king. Oh, this Luigi. No. These are also Luigi's bowling. Why is there not Luigi's bowling? Game over here. Missed. Beat me. En Marquinhos. Maar er staan er bloemen. There's so much. Alright, so smg4, why? Is it also, oh hi Mr. Frog, you're not supposed to be here. Oh shit. You're far. So I want to go back to, oh hi Mr. Frog, you're not supposed to. What's this? Ah, spaghetti. Yep. Mine. It is mine. And then I said mine. Here. I can stop it. How do you all slow down? Mario's Invincible song. But we need Oh, hi, Mr. Frog. I'm just gonna type in, oh, hi. I will get oh shit. What? Oh, hi, Mr. Frog. You're not supposed to be here. Oh, shit. Is it? Oh, shit. So let's just do this over. Right, so let's ask ChatGPT. Give me smg4. No. Make a picture of smg4. Hilarious, yeah. Because I get a login with my... Should I cut this off the video? Or should I just do this really fast? Oh shit. Nice. Y'all didn't saw that. Y'all didn't saw anything. Nah. Can I now make pictures? Make a picture of SM. Bro, just make an smg4. How can you make an smg4? Give me a picture of Mario. You should be able to do that. Oh yeah, Nintendo. F you! Game over, yeah. Alright, we have to do this more big brain. Make a picture of a man with... Is it blue overalls? I think blue overalls. Blue... Oh, how do you say overalls? I don't know how to type that. I'm just gonna type it like that. I'm sure. Yeah. It's not gonna look like a smg4, but I can see that I tried. It kind of looks like Mario, dude. Blue don't even know how to type white. I'm dumb. I'm gonna actually. Google Translate, help me. I don't even know. Like, dude. Alright, white, like that. White almost. And blue. I don't even know how to say clothes. Color. Yeah, I know color. Glitter. Sorry, I did wrong. Clothes. Yeah, I still managed to type it wrong. I forgot the E, dude. Is that how I type it? I still don't think that's right. Let me just copy and paste on everything here. Come on, you're going to dance in this one. If you now you're gonna give me those 3 items and not like this guy but then with blue clothing. Oh yeah, he has no mustache. It seems like they're talking about the old clothing. No. Give me the picture. Like I think the old designers. How could you still mess that up? I mean, it doesn't even look like smg4. Dude. Look. Head with M on it. No mustache. 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 Oh, I almost did it right. No. Game over, yeah. No, everything. No mustache. And he looks funny. Come on. If you mess this up, I'm actually gonna do a video where I'm actually. I said no mustache. I'm gonna